Hey guys, welcome to another It's Smashing Time iPod docking radio thing, whatever. So this thing I found in the garbage, and it has some problems. When I press the things, when I press the volume up button, I can't turn it back down. So that's why I got rid of it. Cause I did find this little iPod Nano in the garbage. I can't believe somebody threw this away. It's cracked though. It is cracked. And this thing sounds way better than this. And it's an alarm. This thing is an alarm clock too. And it's annoying. So I'm gonna destroy it. Content. Alright. Get this junk out of the way. Let's get smashing it. Alright. Alright, we're gonna hit this cover on the thing that sides cover it. It has a USB port, so I'm gonna hit it. Okay, that's pretty durable. Oh wow, that doesn't even do anything. So let's hit the snooze button. I did it in the snooze button and I can't even press it anymore. I should be plugging this in for my safety. It's not even safe to plug it in. Here it is. Alright, snooze button. I hit it and it's cracked. Yeah, okay. Ooh, look at that. Look, I killed that circuit button. I'm not sure if you could tell. I can't reach because of the outlet. The port is so... Look. It is smashed. Let's get this piece of plastic out. Oh. Hear that? Shut up. Shut up. Oh, shut up, you stupid thing. Wow. This thing came off easily. This thing is branded Emerson, too. Which is not bad, and it doesn't even self apart because it's broken. Shut up! You're not shutting up! I'm ripping these speakers. Look. I can't even... Look, I dented the thing. How is it still working? How are you still working, you screen? What the heck? How are you still working, screen? That's like glass, but it's plastic. How? Okay, a piece of circuit went out. How? Freaking how, dude? Look, iPod. It can't even go to iPod anymore. Oh, just listen to that. Not hitting the control panel. Let's break this piece of plastic off. This piece. That was easy. Oh. Oh, because it's a circuit. No wonder it's still working. See that? It's just lights now. Oh, some LEDs went out. Or kind of. They're flickering. Well, they're not flickering anymore. And it still works. Let's kill this circuit. Oh, there's only one LED left. How? The circuit is literally cut. How? Just... Okay, excuse me, LED light. The circuit is destroyed. You know what? Oh, look, what LED came out on for just a second. Look, how does it even work? It still works. I'm sorry. A piece of circuit came out of it, and the LED is still on. What? This thing is literally invisible. It's not on anymore. I don't know. I don't know what it's doing. Alright. It's broken. Seems broken. Circuits are not turning on anymore. I can't fix it. It's just broken. How is this LED still on? Where's that screwdriver? I don't know where the screwdriver is. Oh, it's right here. Look. There we go. I got it all out. Does it still work? I can smell burning circuits. I don't know. Let's plug in an iPod. I'm not sure. It just... I don't know if it even works. Let me plug it in. Genuinely don't know. I think it's dead. So I'm gonna plug it and I'm gonna start smashing it. Ooh. I think it actually is dead because that's like freaking rattly as heck. What about this vent right here? Hey, look at that. It's like a... Ooh, that motor's getting hot. It's like a little motor. It's super rattly. Oh man, there's so much plastic. Let's hit the speakers. Let's do this. What are these plastic bezels? Higher roof bezels? How spoiled millennials in 2021 remove bezels from their iPod docks because they don't want bezels. Oh, whatever. I can't even get it off. I should put the speaker grills or whatever this thing is. Alright. There we go. Now it's like extra rattly. Don't know if it even works anymore. What if I... No, I'm not going to plug it in. That's dangerous. Let's hit the iPod thing. It looks like you can plug it. You can still plug in iPods. I don't think this thing even charges iPods, right? Let me test it. Does it charge iPods? I don't know. Because it's not plugged in. But whatever. Let's just hit the charging port. I mean, for the port for the iPod. Yeah, I think that's gonna plug. Nope, it's dead. There's a USB port too. I don't think I can get to, but... Caution! What does it say? Do not risk of electric shock? Oh yeah? Well, this is a risk of you dying. It's so loud. Alright. What is this battery? What is this port? I haven't unscrewed it yet. I'm gonna unscrew it. Let's get it out. What is it? Reveal your secret. Oh, it's a battery. Oh, look at that. A battery. That's useless. So let's hit this battery port thing now that I discovered it. Yeah, whatever. I never done damage to the back to this side. Let's hit these phone and aux port, the AUX port, from AUX. AUX. I dented in the aux port, and the phone's port is no longer living. Nothing. There's the circuit board. Look. Let's hit it. Dang it. There we go. Now it's destroyed. That thing. I love this thing. It actually was way better than this thing. Oh wait, I forgot about this little flap right here. I'm gonna kill it because I want to. Alright, yeah. Alright. Yeah, that's pretty much not even gonna open. Oh, I somehow managed to open it. I don't know. Look. It opened a second ago. This thing is like the most rattly I've ever heard. It's got like a maraca. You can use it as a maraca. Emerson also makes TVs. If you ever knew that. Probably if you have an Emerson TV at home. What about United listed? Whatever. I don't even know what else to hit. Oh, look at this. I wasn't even doing damage to the side, and this kind of. Let's do damage to them. Get it off with my hammer. There we go. What does it say? Nothing. It doesn't say anything. Let's hit the sides. So first we're gonna. Jeez, get this stupid cord out of the way. I should have scissors. Okay, how to stab this thing? Oh, wow. Yeah. I'm wearing slippers too, if you noticed. They're by LL Bean. And they have ink on them. Alright, what else? I'm gonna try to get these speaker grids off. Because I want to get to the speakers and I want to know what they look like. Revere your secrets, Emerson. What if your factory workers put in freaking cigarettes in here? Die! Look. Come on. Ooh, nice dress. Alright. Wow, that's so rattly. Let's hit the speakers. Let's stab them. Let's do this. Alright. So that's damage. Let's hit the control panel. Oh look, this thing is starting to split a little. Hold on a minute. Alright, sorry about that. So just gotta stop for the bezels. Let's do this a little more quiet. What about screwdriver? Ooh. These speaker things are coming off. Even though I can't, because I gotta hit them with the hammer. Let me do it on the way, because it's a little loud. should get it off. What about this circuit screen? What about the control panel? Let's hit it. Ow. Alright, I can press the volume buttons. I can press the clock time. I cannot press the tuning skip. I mean, I can a little. I can, actually. Alright. I can no longer... Oh. I can't press the nap button, or the sleep button, or the play button. Oh god, I can press every other button. Let's hit them. How to make all these buttons useless. Tuning skip button screwed. Put on the weight. Dang it. Ooh. That is so rattly. I've never seen something rattle so much. Alright, what buttons are useless? Volume buttons are useless. Tune skip, clock time button are useless. Function button, all these buttons are useless besides these ones on the left. So that's 3 hits, and this down button right here kind of got screwed. That's all. Alright. All those hits. Ugh. None of the buttons got screwed? Okay. Yeah, something went fine. Alright, how in the world? Like, what the heck? Alright. What about this little... Oh! That's definitely screwed more. Let's screw it with the screwdriver. Ha, that's a joke. Ugh. What about this USB port down here? You can't see it all. That little one, you can't even see. Alright, yep, screw the USB port, so it's time to screw up. Oh, look, I could stab it. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, I could have just hit the control panel with the screwdriver, because screwdrivers are the best at just destroying stuff. I know. What if I... Dang it. Wow. Okay. What if I take a screwdriver? Also, the screwdriver is made by Anvil, the same brand my hammer is made by. Ow! There's a Band-Aid on me. That's a Band-Aid. And it's really disgusting when I take it off and peek at it. Control panel. No. Alright, all the buttons are pretty much dead. Look, I can just shove it all in there and then I'd be like, hey, look at this. I kind of got this circuit to come out. Or if I just break this piece of plastic. Okay, not do it on my foot. Oh my god, dude. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh, yes, buddy. Give me my food. Oh, look at that. Alright, now that's all the way out of the way. Let's hit right here, because that looks like a weak spot. I think there's like a microphone right there. I'm not sure. It looks like a piece of one of my shirt. Well, I can't. But if I can... Oh! Oh, wow. Oh, look, I stabbed it right in there. Like this. I wonder if I could go outside. I don't feel like going outside. I know. Let's just hit the control panel with the screwdriver. Ow! I'm gonna go stab the speakers. Wow. They're brown. I stabbed right through it. Look. Speaker, right there. Hey, look, it's like a metal thing. Oh, look, it's like a ripping. I get to rip it up. Ow. Stupid thing. Why do I even just... Ooh, look, there's a dangerous screw right there that can poke me. You can't guys really see it because of the other holes that don't have screws in them. That shouldn't be as dangerous. What does the sticker say? I can't see. It says quality. It says pass quality test. Alright. Let's see if this can pass the quality test. I guess this really is quality because I'm not breaking it very easily, but it is like the most rattly and dead circuited smell I've ever seen and smelled. Alright. I don't even know how to... Alright, I'll shut the back. Just see what that can do. Well, that's the damage. Hey, look, the circuit! Progress. Let's stab the... Where's the screwdriver again? Here it is. Alright. It definitely doesn't work anymore. God dang it! Oh wow! Look, what's the S number? Whatever. I don't care. I don't even know how to destroy this. Alright. This thing is really, really smashed, and it's really good quality. I just want to say. I'm getting tired too, so I gotta do this quick. More damage equals more room to take them. Stabbed right through. Alright. Help, there's a circuit. I don't even know. Oh, that flew. That flew like this. It flew, it bounced, and then it went like around the corner into the closet. Like, that was so cool. Trick shot, you Emerson. How do I even? Hold on, I'm gonna take screws out because this is so hard. Alright, so now some screws are taken out. Let's smash it. Let's see what I can do damage to it now. Oh, look, there's a little speaker I've never noticed right there. See? Oh, look at that. This panel came off. And you can see circuits, which is definitely kind of wrecked. So what about the other side? Oh, wow. That's good. Progress. What about this giant block right here? Oh no, the weight! I just noticed it broke off. because this weight is actually broken. That's why I use it to smash, and my mom uses one to work out. Oh! Oh, wow. I'm trying to get this panel off because it's almost off. And well, I think I did a too good job of taking stuff off. Look at this. Oh my god. It's a mess in there. It's gross. Ew. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, geez, there's so much mess. Dude, this is the worst I've ever seen. Oh. Let's finish it. Oh, look at all those capacitors. Wow, man. This is actually the most craziest thing I've ever seen. Oh, that's all I can do to this, unless I smash it a little more like this. Ow. Dang it. Oh, Jesus Lordy. Hey, look, it's the iPod docking circuit. Good enough. Alright, that's all I could do to it, so thanks for watching, and comment, like, subscribe, and bye.